That's awesome, man. This is a good day, huh?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Holly Henry.
Holly Henry.
Yes.
Let me just put that down here under Team Blake. Listen, because of you, I am officially excited about season 5 of The Voice right now. I am pumped about this thing. A lot of voices, they stay small and don't ever kind of show range and dynamic. And when you hit those high notes, I thought, oh my God, this girl can sing. Man, I gotta tell you, it feels good to have you on my team. So congratulations, thank you.
Thank you.
Tell me about the courage that it took to get you to this point.
Well, I write music a lot. That's kind of what I do.
Do you perform often?
No, not at all.
You have a very wonderful voice. A voice that deserves to be acknowledged by all 4 coaches up here. That you have something special, and I hope you do realize you have something truly beautifully unique, and I can only hope that you would allow me to help guide it.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Holly.
Hello, I like your hair.
Thanks, I like yours too. How old are you?
I'm 19.
You're 19. I know, as a female, what it means on a very different level than these guys do.
Oh.
But when I hear that soft, kind of sweet, beautiful, silky tone, I was like, I have to get in there and save this girl. As an artist, I'm interested in finding out who you want to be, and I would love to take you to the end. Please, I want to make you the voice. Do it. Do it with me.
I recognize star quality in your voice. I almost broke my hand hitting this button. Have you watched the show in the past?
Here it comes.
Here we go. I won 3 times. Yippee-da-doo-dah. I've done fairly well in the past with females who are singer-songwriters. And because I'm married to a singer-songwriter, that gives me some insights with a young female who's trying to express themselves through music. Let's get together and win this freaking thing, Holly. Let's do it. Power's in your hands now. Who do you pick as your coach?
Awesome.
I have no idea what she's gonna
She
pick.
can't go wrong, really, though.
Blake!
I love you.
Oh my God. That was the most unexpected thing in my life.
Holly Henry, everybody.
I picked Blake as my coach because he turned right away. I just felt like he knew what he wanted, and I think that will work really well. Sorry.
Do it, Blake.
You like that? You like that? In your face.
You played the Miranda card.
I'm going to use that every time. I don't know if I've ever hit my button that fast for somebody before. I'm starting to get pumped about this. Holly Henry has made this old coach very happy. Congratulations!
Thank you.
That was unbelievable, sweetie.
Give Connor a hug.
Oh, my gosh.
And look at you, you have 4 chairs turned around. Do you have a sense of confidence now?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Glad you got 4 students, Holly. You are just amazing.
Thank you, buddy.
Adam, I'm sorry that you really wanted her and I took her. Don't be upset. Don't be mad.
Wow, Blake.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?